In this video, I will be showing you how to block any website on iPhone. And I'll be showing you two methods to do it. The first method will be blocking an entire website for any adult content. Like if you want to block website for any adult content, any website that has adult content on it, this is the way you do it. Then the second method will be on how to disable individual website. Maybe you want to block Facebook, you want to block someone from accessing your Facebook. I'll be showing you the method as well. So guys, let's quickly dive into the topic. First, you need to go to your phone settings. From your phone settings, you scroll down, you click on screen time. Screen time, you click on content and privacy restrictions. You have to turn on your content and privacy restrictions. You need to enter your passcode. Now that your content and privacy restriction is turned on, you click on content restrictions. Under the content restrictions, you scroll down and click on web content, unrestricted access. Now in this place, this is where you limit your phone from accessing any adult content website. For you to limit your phone from accessing any adult content website, you click on the limit adult website, which is the second one. This way now, any adult website will be limited in your phone. You can't access any adult website. So let's go and try accessing an adult website from our phone and see what it will show us. Let's go to our browser. For example, let's type on porn. You can see what is showing. You cannot browse this page at google.com because it is restricted. So that is how to restrict any adult website. You can't access any adult website through this one. This is helpful for adults that have kids in their home. If you don't want your kids to access any adult website, you have to allow this to prevent your kids going into adult websites. So let's go back to our settings. Then this other method is how to limit individual website, how to restrict or block individual website. So what you do if you want to block individual websites, like you don't want to block only adult website, you want to block non-adult website, but you want to disable it. This is how you do it. You come to this option where they write never allow. You click on add website. For example, let's disable Facebook. You write facebook.com. You click on done. Go back to our browser now and enter facebook.com. As you can see, our facebook.com is blocked. Well, we can't access facebook.com. So if you want to unblock this, you have to go back through the same way and you have to delete this facebook.com. How you delete it? You swipe it to the left, then you click on delete. So let's go back and Facebook. As you can see now, we can now access our Facebook. So back to our settings. If you're done with it, if you don't want to restrict adult content, you put it back on unrestricted access. So guys, that is it on how to block websites on iPhone. I believe the video is helpful. If it is, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.